Troves.com. Have you heard of it? It claims to be a website where you can access food-related content, cooking videos, and even subscribe for recipes. Sounds interesting, right? But the big question is it actually legit? Let's find out. First, a couple of positive points. When we checked the WOA's registration, the site was officially registered in March 2024. So, it's not brand new, which at least shows someone took the steps to set it up properly. Having a registered domain doesn't guarantee safety, but it's a small sign of professionalism. Another positive is that the website provides contact support through both an email ID and a phone number. It's always good when users have multiple ways to reach out for help. Legitimate businesses usually provide clear support channels, and this is a better sign than sites that hide everything. Now let's talk about some concerns. First, the reviews. We checked Trustpilot and other platforms, and multiple users report serious issues. Many have seen unauthorized charges between £34.90 and £35 on their credit cards after using the site or scanning QR codes. Some people never subscribed or purchased anything, yet the site attempted repeated charges. Users had to block or cancel their cards, and some are still disputing payments. These reports come from different countries, like the UK, Poland, and the Netherlands, showing a widespread pattern. Another concern is social media. We couldn't find any accounts linked to Troves.com. Without social presence, it's hard to check real customer interactions or verify that the business is active. Most legitimate companies maintain social profiles to engage with users and build trust. The third concern is the registration number and VAT number the website shares. There's no way to verify these details, and fake or unverifiable numbers are often used by scams to appear legit. Without verification, these numbers don't guarantee the company is legally registered or trustworthy. So, is Troves.com legit? Based on what we've seen, the site shows a few basic signs of legitimacy, like a registered domain and contact info. But the lack of social media, unverifiable business numbers, and multiple reports of unauthorized charges make it very suspicious. It's safer to avoid giving any payment info and steer clear of the platform. Thanks for watching till the end. If you want more updates and honest reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and stay informed.